Goal was to start that business while keeping both of our 9 to 5s. So I was a director at an IT firm, and my wife was a manager at a health firm. And we was like, listen, we're gonna start all these side hustles, but we're gonna focus mainly on the cleaning business. But we can't go out there and clean homes ourselves because we both work jobs. So we said we're going to find people who are talented individuals. They know what they're doing. They've been cleaning for a while. And their biggest challenge is finding customers, right? Because usually these shops are mom and pops, and they're like, listen, I just work off of word of mouth. So we said if we could find those people who are hungry, dedicated, and know what they're doing, they've been doing it for a while, and if we match them with clients who can't normally find them, that's where we're going to find our niche. So we've been doing that for 5 years now. So we match our independent contractors with people who need their homes cleaned, and that's how we started our cleaning business.
You guys have made over $1.5 million from this business.
We found that out last night on our community call. Because we don't really know the numbers until we go in and look, but just that we were just showing our screens, like, oh, now we're at 1.5 million. This is a compounding revenue business. So you're not starting from ground zero every month, because we got one client who's got her home cleaned every single week for 4.5 years. And that was like $40,000 just from that one client every single week. So you're starting with, at minimum, you got that one client, you're cleaning her home every week. You got the bi-weekly clients, you got the monthly clients, and those compound month after month after month. So you're never starting at zero. A lot of businesses, you're like, oh, I got to go find more clients. If we close our business down, we're doing at least $30,000, $40,000 a month just from those recurring clients on the schedule. Yeah.
I think the easiest business you could possibly start would be like a lawnmower company. I know multimillionaires that own lawn companies, and they were doing it as a kid and then ended up getting like whole subdivisions, and then they just stuck with it the rest of their life, and they just have crews and 100 lawns, a day, whatever they do, I don't know, but go in a Facebook group, whatever city or town you're in, go in that Facebook group and then just post on there, hey, I'm mowing lawns. You go look how big the lawn is, figure out how long it's gonna take you, and then if it's going to take you like an hour, you're probably going to charge at least 40, 50 bucks, something like that.
I really feel that the barbershop and hair salon industry is slept on. If I was a professional athlete, most of these guys, and there's no knock on them, but a lot of them that's not their gift. They don't have the business savvy. They're athletes. That's why they're making the millions of dollars that they're making. That's their gift. But if I'm a professional athlete, you cannot play these sports forever. So you got to have an end game. And everything I do, I have the end game. Just like I go through the front door, I make sure I have a way out. And as an athlete, you need a way out. So when this time comes, you got something to do. And that something to do is a barbershop. Because you don't have to have a license. And you can own a barbershop and create a residual income that you're picking up cash money every week. This is the industry you need to put your money in, and this is the industry you need to create wealth for your family to pass down to your kids.
You're doing $1 million a year through these mini mailboxes.
The mailboxes that you rent out, which are essentially mini storage units, those are your monthly recurring revenue. The shipping is ancillary and seasonal. You make a percentage, you make a markup on the shipping. Steady recurring revenue, and they're a sticky customer. If they have a mailbox with me, they're coming to me for everything else, for all their shipping needs, for their notary, for their packaging, whatever.
How much does it cost to build out your own store?
I opened up 2 stores with less than $60,000.
What does an average mailbox sell for?
We price ours at $20 a month for the smalls, $30 a month for medium, $35 a month for the larges. It's really dependent on your area, and we priced ourselves that way because it put us a couple bucks below the closest UPS store.
It's kind of an evergreen product because it's never going to be replaced by technology.
Never.